Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and happy Sunday. So we are about to go into CVS and do our CVS haul for today. There are a ton of deals, so I'm gonna break this up. I'm gonna be doing a second haul. Today I'll be doing 2 different transactions to try to use the extra bucks to roll it over and keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible. That's what I try to do the best I can for you guys. There will be a printable breakdown listed in the description box as usual, so you guys can take that to the store with you and do the same deals I did to get the same savings that I did. There are quite a few unadvertised deals. Again, I wasn't able to take advantage of all the deals that I wanted. Not all of my coupons have come in the mail yet. I do order the multiples from clip2save.com and the couponmarketplace.com so that I can take advantage of as many deals as possible. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals. I'll be doing my second haul probably Wednesday or Thursday, just kind of depends on how the week goes. So let's go inside and take advantage of these deals. Okay, so tons and tons of cosmetic deals this week. So first stop is Revlon. They are on sale. Spend $12, get a $5 extra buck, and it is a limit of 6, if you can see that. So you can do this deal up to 6 times. So what we're gonna do is pick up 2 of these photo ready eyeshadows. They are $11.99 each. So I'm gonna pick up that one, and I'm gonna pick up, we'll do this one. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Then we got our mystery coupon today, and it was an even higher value, $4. So this will print for everyone. Make sure you scan your card at the Extra Care Center. I got a $4 off 20 Almay or Revlon CRT. Well, it's kind of a CRT. It was a coupon that came in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this as well. Then we're gonna use a buy one lip or eye cosmetic, get one free. So we're gonna use this as well. I'm gonna be doing the deal, it's gonna be done about 4 times because then I have another 5 off 20 cosmetic CRT. So we're gonna go pick up a suede lipstick, which is these down here, and I've never tried these. They look super cool. They're also $11.79, so buying 2 of these makes you hit the spend 12 deal 2 more times, so we'll be getting back $8 in extra bucks. So let's pick up this one and I don't know, let's do this one. These look cute. So we're gonna pick up these 2 as well. Add those to our cart. Hopefully they don't fall through. So for the suede lipstick, we're going to use that mystery coupon, the 5 off 20. We're going to pay $2.79 out of pocket, get back $8, so a nice big moneymaker on that one. The eyeshadow, I'm going to use another BOGO coupon, the 4 off 20. I put CRT, but it was the coupon that came in the mail. So that one is going to be another nice moneymaker. And don't forget, with CVS, it's spend 30, get a $3 beauty buck. So we'll be hitting beauty on this 1 time because we'll be spending about $40. So that'll be an additional $3 back. So that's going to be an even bigger money maker. Continuing with the cosmetics, we're going to do the Covergirl deal. It's buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So what you can do is pick up 1 of these lipsticks. They're $6.79. Then you're going to pick up a, where is it? Here it is. Professional mascara. It's going to be $6.99. Then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So we're going to use a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, $3 off 1 eye product, and $2 off 1 lip product. So with all these CRTs and getting the $5 extra bucks back, let me check what our math is going to be. We also have a $1.50 Covergirl mascara app only coupon. So you're gonna pay $3.28, get back $5, makes it another moneymaker. With purchasing this and the other 2, we'll probably hit beauty twice now. So we'll get an additional $3 back in beauty bucks, which is awesome. Those usually take about 48 hours and then they'll go on your account. So then you would just clip them and send them to your card. So make sure you check your CVS account in about 2 days after you do your haul to see how many beauty bucks you were able to rack up. So for the Eucerin deal, it's Eucerin or Aquaphor on sale. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So I got a ton of cool coupons or CRTs this morning, so that's what made me want to go ahead and do this deal. So I have a $2 off Eucerin or Aquaphor and a 2 off 8 Eucerin or Aquaphor. Then if you go on Eucerin.com, you can print 2 of these $3 off 1 coupons. So what we're gonna do is pick up one of these at $9.79 and one of these advanced repair lotions at $11.79, because even if you're doing the 98% rule, 2 of these is $19.58 and 98% of $20 is $19.60. So you're 2 cents off, you would not hit it. So you're gonna have to buy one of these and then one of these. So total on that is gonna be over the $20 threshold that you need. Put these back. So once we use all the different CRTs, I also have a $2.25 off 10 lotion CRT. So this is going to be another nice moneymaker. So that's like 3 or 4 moneymakers so far, which is really awesome. CVS has a ton of deals this week. The next deal I want to do is going to be on the CeraVe. So I have to, oh, there it is, perfect. So CeraVe, this is my personal favorite lotion. It's the only reason why I'm doing this deal. And I got a 5 off 2 app only coupon, which is awesome. So they're buy one, get one half off. So what I'm gonna do is buy, could buy 2 of these, 8 ounces, or you can buy, you know, one of these, whatever you guys wanna do. Then we got $3 off coupons. $3 off any one CeraVe product in our newspaper this morning, which is awesome. Then I have another lotion CRT. Where is it? Of course I can't find it now. Oh, it's on my app, sorry. I have a 3 off 10 coupon on my app as well. So final math on this is gonna be about $2.59 each, which is a really hot deal. Again, I'm only doing this deal because I really love CeraVe and I wanted to be able to stock up, especially when I got that 5 off 2 app only coupon. So there are a ton of hair care deals. I'm probably gonna be doing a second haul because I just didn't have time to put everything together. I'd be here for hours. So the 2 I'm gonna take advantage of is the Suave. They're on sale 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. Then I got this 2 off 2 Suave Hair Care CRT. So final cost on that is gonna be $1 each. And I'm combining that with the Dove. Dove is buy 1, get one half off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So I have a 3 off 10 Dove CRT. If you have a 3 off 12 Hair Care CRT, you're gonna wanna do these deals together in the same transaction so you can hit that $12 threshold. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these. I wanted to do the Dove Men because we have $2 off 1 coupons. So if you use 2 of these, that's $4 off. If you just get the regular Dove, we have a $3 off 2. So whatever you guys wanna do, you can pick those up. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Final cost on this is going to be 79 cents each, with all the different CRTs and stuff that we're gonna be hitting. And hair care does count towards beauty, so the total value is gonna count towards beauty. Okay, so now it's time to put together our spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna pick up 2 more of the wet wipes. We got 50% off 1 coupons today in our insert. Then I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. The Soothing Lotion is actually super cool. I've used them before. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these boxes here. They're also on sale 2 for $3, and we have $1 off 2 Kleenex CRT that you can use. Or what you could do is pick up 4 of these. There's a $1 off 4 digital coupon that you can use. I just really like the wet wipes. I keep them in my car, my purse, in the bathroom, so I'm just gonna kind of mix and match. Okay, the next thing we're gonna pick up is Downy. Ooh, they have one left that I want. Or not Downy, I'm sorry, Tide plus Downy. This is the really large one, 92 fluid ounces. I don't know where to put it. Let's put it there. I want to crush everything. Okay, what else are we getting? Okay, we are gonna be getting where is it? Okay, now we're gonna be getting the Scott paper towel. So these are the 6 equals 11 rolls. These are a lot larger than the ones at Walgreens. Those are like the 6 equals 8 rolls or something. So this is a lot larger. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these. They're $5.49 each. So I'm gonna be using a $10 off of $40 laundry, paper products, and cleaners CRT. So I'm gonna be combining this. Ooh, put that there. I'm gonna be combining this with the Tide Liquid and the All, wherever the All is. Ah, there it is. And the All deal. So stay tuned in the breakdown and I will go over it at the end of the video, the final cost for all of these products. The last thing we're gonna pick up is 2 of the Palmolives, if they have them. If not, I'm gonna cry. I can't find them. Oh, here they are. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna pick up 2 of these. They're buy one, get one free. They're $3.59 each. I like to pick up different kinds. Are they all the same? Yeah, 20 fluid ounce. And I got $1 off 2 Palmolive CRT this morning, which is awesome. So that is going to finalize everything that I'm going to be buying for the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. The total is wrong because online these are $1.99. In the store they're $3.59, so I got to add $1.50 there. But it works out to be an amazing, amazing deal. So stay tuned in the end and in the printable breakdown for the final Scott brand. On scottbrand.com, there's $1 printables. In our paper, we only got 50-cent coupons. So you're gonna wanna use 2 of the $1 printables for your spend 30 deal. And this is what the 50-cent off 1 wet wipes looks like. So you can use 2 of these. That'll be another $1 off. Or if you only get 1 paper, you can print them on Kleenex.com. So you can print a 50-cent off 1 coupon as well. And then I wanted to show you guys, this is what my Palmolive CRT looks like, $1 off of 2 20-ounce or Suavitel, but obviously we're doing it on the Palmolive. So those are buy one, get one free, and that's gonna finalize our spend 30 deal. So to complete the spend $40, get $10 off the CRT for the household and cleaning, I'm gonna combine it with the All. So I'm gonna pick up 1 of these liquids. We have a $1 off 1 that came in today's paper. Then I'm gonna pick up 1 of these pods. They're also $2.99. I mean, look at the savings. These are typically $8. We're already getting them for $3, which is a super, super hot deal. And we got a $2 off of the Almighty packs today in the paper as well. So these are gonna be just 99 cents, such a hot deal. And this is still gonna be a good deal at just $1.99. So you can get the free and clear, or you can get the stain lifters with Oxy. This one is 20 loads and this one is 24 loads. So whichever one you guys wanna pick up. Then I'm gonna pick up 1 of the Tide Simply. They're $2.94. There's a $1 digital coupon. And then I'm gonna pick up the Tide Simply pods. They might be on the other side of the wall. Those are gonna be $2.94 as well. We have a separate $1 off coupon, and I got a $1 digital for any Tide pods. So those are gonna be just 99 cents as well. Okay, the last freebie of the day is gonna be the Colgate Optic White. This is the 4.2 ounce tube. And when you go to the Extra Care Center, you're gonna get a $2.50 instant coupon. There's a $1 coupon either from the 1.5 Smart Source, or there's one available to print on coupons.com. So that makes it a nice freebie. Okay, so we're done the deals at CVS. All of the CRTs worked out great. We got a ton of freebies, a ton of money makers, and I wound up hitting beauty almost 4 times. There are more deals. The Maybelline deal I didn't get to take advantage of yet. There's a L'Oreal deal. I got some L'Oreal CRTs, so I'm gonna be taking advantage of that. So I'll definitely be able to hit beauty again. So that'll be 4 times in 1 week, which is awesome. If you're new to CVS, you get a $3 beauty buck, which is the same as an extra buck when you spend $30 on beauty. So I did check, if you go to the beauty section, lotions are included to beauty. And I did 2 different lotion deals. I did the Eucerin and I did the CeraVe. So that counted towards beauty as well. So total that I did for beauty was $117.23. At $120, I would have hit it 4 times. So I'm just a few dollars away from getting another $3 beauty buck. So I will be getting $9 back in beauty bucks. It usually hits your account in about 2 days. It'll be a digital, so you would just clip it and send it to your card to use on your next transaction. So total I did is 2 transactions. First transaction, I only paid about $2.92 out of pocket. I did get a $6 off 30 purchase CRT. It came in the mail, so it's not really a CRT, but I got that coupon in the mail. I am a CarePass member, and I've had an extra care card for about 7 months now. So I get coupons in the mail probably once every 3 months. And I got some Almay coupons, Maybelline coupons, Garnier, and I got that 6 off of 30 purchase CRT. So I used that in transaction number 1, and I only paid taxes out of pocket, $2.92. And the product value was $45 worth. So my second transaction was huge because I didn't feel like doing 3 different transactions and kind of being there all day. So the second transaction, the product value was $119. And I paid $20 out of pocket, including taxes. So it's about $15 plus tax out of pocket. 2 of the CRTs didn't go through for some reason. The Dove deal that I did, I thought the Dove men was $6.79. It was $6.49. So the 3 off 10 Dove CRT did not work because I didn't hit the $10 threshold. So I switched it for a 3 off 12 shampoo CRT, because I did the Dove and the Suave together. So total on that was like $15. So that's why I used a 3 off 12 Haircare CRT for that deal, which was the same value. So that worked out perfectly. So yeah, final out of pocket on that was $20, including taxes. And I got back $35 in extra bucks. I got back 4 for the Haircare deal. I got back 10 for the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. Then I got back $16 in Revlon because I did the deal 4 times and it's a limit of 6. So you can do it 2 additional times if you want. And then I got back $5 for the Covergirl as well. So ton of extra bucks back, $35 in extra bucks that I can roll into next week or my second haul so that I can make sure that I'm keeping my out of pocket as low as possible. There are some unadvertised deals, so I will probably include those in my second haul. There's Vaseline lotion deal. There is Not Your Mother's dry shampoo deal. There's some more cosmetic deals. There's one on Milani, spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. And I want to take advantage of that Irish Spring deal for sure. But my coupons, I printed them and I left them at work. Like, what am I doing? So anyway, I'm going to be doing that in my second haul as well. I love the Irish Spring and a lot of people purchase that from me. So I try to suck up on that as much as possible. I did use a $10 off 40 household laundry and paper product CRT, and it did work fine because I did get 2 Tide Simply, 2 All. I got the 100-ounce Tide as well. And then I got the 2 Scott paper towels, and it is on paper products as well. So that's how I was able to use that. I did it all in my second transaction. So if you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Let me know if there are any other deals that you guys found were really good money makers for some CRTs that you got, so we can make sure that everyone on my channel is able to take advantage of those deals as well, and maybe I can put it in my second haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.